fast, no knead multi-seed bread. So let's get started. First we will be adding 1 cup of whole wheat flour and 1 cup of oats flour, and then half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, and 2 tablespoons sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, and 2 tablespoons sunflower seeds. Mix everything together and your dry ingredients are ready. You can take any seeds of your choice. Now let's go towards the wet ingredients. Add 1/4 cup of buttermilk, half cup olive oil, 1 egg at room temperature, and 1/4 cup honey. Mix everything together. If you don't have buttermilk, then take 1/4 cup of milk and add 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar, white vinegar in it, and let it sit for 10 minutes and your buttermilk is ready. Now let's mix all ingredients together. Mix everything together softly and your bread batter is ready. And now pour your batter in any loaf shape tin and sprinkle some of the dry seeds over your bread. So here I'll be sprinkling some seeds again, pumpkin seeds, some chia seeds, and some sesame seeds. You can take any seeds of your choice. If you don't like any one of these, you can skip them. And your bread loaf cake is ready. And let's bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes and 180 degrees Celsius again for 45 minutes. And let it cool at room temperature before the cutting, and your healthy bread is ready. Enjoy it in breakfast with your lovely family. Thank you. Bye-bye. And please subscribe my channel for more yummy recipes, and do like my videos. Thank you.